What's up, everyone? Mr. A Brain here. Happy Wednesday, hump day, a couple more days, and we got April vacation. Woot woot. So today we're gonna do a footwork, balance, and core exercises today. So what you're gonna need is a piece of paper, 6 pieces of paper. If you don't have pieces of paper, you can use napkins. That's what I'm gonna use today. You could use paper towels. You could use tape to make a little box. Please do not use toilet paper. That has become very valuable in times like these, so please do not do that. But really anything that's flat, right, you can use, so be creative if you don't have any of the things I just mentioned. So I'm using, like I said, I'm gonna use a napkin. So there's 2 ways you can use it. If you want it to be a little bit easier, just use it as the square that it is. If you wanna make it a little more tricky, you can open it, make it like this, and it'll be a little more tricky, a little wider. So different things to do. So I'm going to explain the exercises, and I'll show you an example of them, and then we'll get going. So let's get going, shall we? All right, the first thing we're going to do, we just need one of our napkins, and we're going to do side jumps back and forth. So you start, you can stop, then go back and stop, back and stop, back and stop. If you want it to be a little more fast-paced, let me fix my napkin here. If you want to be a little more fast-paced, you don't have to stop. And you keep going. So I found out that napkins move a lot. So if you have something, you can put it down on it to make it a little heavier. That way it will not move. So once you do that, then you can do 15 to 20 or more if you want. Maybe you do a time, you can do 30 seconds of it, or you can do a set amount. It's up to you. Give you a little more freedom in this workout. Then once you do that, you're gonna do it with one foot. Got a table right next to me, don't wanna break my hip. So you'll go around as many times as you want with one foot. Then you'll switch to your other foot, and you'll go around. And you'll do that as many times. Again, if you want a little more challenge, you don't have to stop. You can just keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to give it a little bit more. And then you'll be ready to rock and roll. Then our next one, 2 feet. We're gonna go around the whole napkin. So here, 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 here. Again, if you want it to be a little more challenging, you don't have to stop, go all the way around. Again, if you're gonna use a napkin, I would put something a little heavy on it. My napkins are moving around like crazy, so that's not good. All right, so now we're gonna use all the papers. So hopefully you can see it, but we have 6 papers lined up in a row, and we're gonna go down the line of the papers doing our exercises. So the first one is just 2 feet, hops down. So start at the beginning, 2 feet. Try not to step on the paper. Finish, you can give it a jog back to the beginning. And then you go again. I would do it 3 to 5 times, really get that heart pumping. And then move on to the next exercise. So the next exercise, going with 1 foot, working on that balance. I rocked at that one. And then I go back. So you do that 3 to 5 times, and then you will go, you'll switch feet, do your other foot. Nailed it. And I'll hustle back. I'll do that 3 to 5 times, and then I will move on. So the next one is sideways. So you're gonna face the wall with 2 feet. And you're gonna go, you can stop and go, or you can go right through. It's up to you, how comfortable you feel. You go around. So again, you can, well, flying away. Again, you can stop, and then go, or you can just go straight through, trying not to touch your napkins. So once you do that, then you go 1 foot, working on that balance. Again, this time with 1 foot, it's actually harder to do the stop. So if you want to make it a little more challenging, with 1 foot, hop over it. Woo! Then you got a wall there. Stop. Hop over, stop. Boom, boom, stop, stop. So that makes it a little harder. I guess I've gotten less balance with age, that's all right. And then you switch and do your other foot. And then after you do that, we do our zigzag shuffles. They start over here. I got a wall real close to here. So when you do the shuffles, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Boom, boom, and you get through with your shuffles. So after you do that, that'll be it. That'll be 1 set through. Do 3 sets, and then you'll be done. So you can, like I said, you can do this to a time limit. You could do 30 seconds. You do each exercise for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, whatever you want to do. Or you can do it a certain amount of times. Maybe you say you want to do it 6 times, 5 times, whatever it may be. But you can kind of choose what you want to do for that. So this is a real good one. I'm already sweaty. So that's good. And we'll see you tomorrow. Make sure we're writing in our logs, sending it to your teacher on Friday. And that's that. So I hope you all have a good day, staying safe, staying healthy, staying active. Have a good day. I miss you guys. And we'll see you tomorrow.